Fill down in Google Sheets is just like the fill handle in Excel. When a cell or a group of cells are selected, in the bottom right corner of the selection you'll see a little blue box. If you hover over the blue box, a black plus sign appears, and then you can click and drag, and when you do that it will repeat or fill down what was in that cell. But if you give it a pattern, here we only had just one number, you give it a pattern by entering two numbers, the number 1 and the number 2, and then selecting both of those cells, and then in the bottom right hand corner of that selection where the blue box is, if you hover and you see the black plus sign, then you click and drag down. Because there's a pattern, it will number for you. So since Google Sheets recognizes the pattern, and it will number for you. Google Sheets recognizes patterns, but it also has some memorized patterns. And the memorized patterns are the days of the week and the months of the year. So if I typed here the day of the week, Monday, and then I hover over the blue box, when I see the black plus sign I click and drag, I didn't have to put in a pattern because Google already recognizes that pattern. And all I have to do is type in any day of the week, and it will put that, it'll continue that pattern of the days of the week. It also recognizes the abbreviations and the formatting. If I did all capitals, MON, and the abbreviation, and I hover over the blue box and fill down, click and drag to fill down, it will pick up all the abbreviations the same way. It's called fill down, but you can actually select a cell and hover over the bottom right corner, blue box, and get the plus sign and click and drag and fill to the right. And you can also select a cell and hover over the blue box and click and drag up as well as down, and you can also finally click and drag with the cell to the left. And all this can be done the same way with the months of the year.